200,000 square feet of air-conditioned and Wi-Fi enabled learning space. Over 200 faculty members, 60 state-of-the-art teaching labs, close to 200,000 contact hours a year, 20,000 library books, 5,000 journals, one faculty member to every 10 students, over 20 national award-winning student projects. As a temple of modern learning, SRM University City Campus is without par.
SRM Vadapalli.
SRM Vadapalli. SRM Vadapalli. SRM Vadapalli.
SRM Vadapalli.
SRM Vadapalli. SRM Vadapalli. SRM Vadapalli. SRM Vadapalli.
SRM Vadapalli.
SRM University, Vadaparani. Department of Mechanical Engineering.
Engineering combines the field of science and maths to solve the real-world problems that improves our lives.
Sprawling labs filled with equipments, tools of every kind. The Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, SRM University, Vadaparani, stops short of nothing to put grand dreams in the minds of its students. Be it CAD, CIM or robotics, the students master the technologies that will lead the next generation of industrial innovation.
I feel very inquisitive and very curious while using the different equipments and machines in our lab.
We get more practical knowledge than theory.
People feel hard handling machines, but we feel soft like playing with our toys.
For success, there is only one way. Here we are doing it in a 4-stroke way.
This car was manufactured by Team Proton Racing, the official team representing SRM University Vadapalani in Supra SE India 2012, which was held in Budh International Circuit in Noida. It is one of the most lightweight cars that took part in the competition and has won many numerous awards based on its design and innovation. I am proud to be a part of this team.
The vehicle was fabricated by Team Druta Racing of SRM University Vadapalani for SA India FE Cycle 2013 held in Chandigarh. The team won the Best Innovation Award and the overall ranking was 16th. I am very proud to be a part of the team.
RC Car Racing.
RC is a hobby, but many people pursue it as a passion. We have taken part in many reputed colleges and have won many prizes. We have won second and third in the national level races and soon will be representing India in the international races.
Department of Computer Science.
The field of computer science is highly unpredictable, providing us with opportunities to explore our creativity almost every day.
A computer to every student, an almost obsessive tendency to keep up with the developments in the field.
I've been a part of Google Developers Group Chennai for over a year. I've been going to other colleges and delivering lectures on Android and Chrome.
SRM offered us with its robotics workshop where we learnt about designing robots and interfacing it with Arduinos. We've done the Super Robot which mimics human gestures, and we've won the first place in the National Level Technical Symposium Revamp 14 Bangalore, and SRM gave us this wide platform to showcase our talents.
Constantly interfacing with industry, enormous ambition coupled with creativity. The faculty and students of Computer Science, SRM University, Vadaparani, are defined by their relentless quest to stay ahead of the pack.
Being a part of SAP, we gain global information technology and different cultures. I am proud to have been part of the semester abroad program. Through support of SRM University Vadaparani, I was able to get a top rank.
Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Electronics and Communication Department has provided me a wide spectrum of knowledge. It has enabled me to correlate to the latest technologies used in our day-to-day life.
Interdisciplinary research, a system-level approach and close ties with industry combine to yield knowledge that is both holistic and cutting-edge.
Coming to SRM Vadapalani, I started striving for more and more knowledge about my area of interest through fun and interactive teaching provided here.
IEEE is the world's largest engineering association. At SRM Vadapalani, we have opened an IEEE student chapter where we organize various workshops and lectures for the students who share common technical interests. Being an IEEE member, I have referred to many IEEE journals and papers which has helped me on improvising my technical knowledge.
Students prepare for leadership roles in research, development and design positions in this swiftly advancing field.
SRM. It fills the gap between our imagination and practical life. Here, what we see is what we do.
Adhyay is the wall magazine of the ECE department. It is a new concept and it has never been done before. It is becoming famous day by day and we have received a lot of encouragement from both the students and the teachers. We are very proud to be a part of this team.
Robotics.
The Robotics Club of SRM University Vadapalani campus is most active club with around 700 members. The club has been conducting various workshops, seminars, guest lectures for the students and helping them improve their knowledge in the field of robotics.
We attended a workshop conducted by the Robotics Club of SRM University and this is where we made this gesture-controlled robot. We also won the first prize in the Axle Robotics competition.
We have designed a line follower and edge detector robo and we participated in robo trials organized by IIT Delhi. In this competition, we were the zonal winners. We thank the Robotics Club for the support that they have given us.
Master of Business Administration.
Doing an MBA program in SRM University was a part of a master plan. When I was a kid, I always wanted to be like my father, a successful entrepreneur. Now I'm in the right career path where I can learn everything about business and become a successful entrepreneur.
I believe SRM B School Vadapalani is unique because it has offered us a lot of electives which are in line with the industry expectations. We were offered a lot of activity-based learning, besides which we entered here as students, but when we're leaving as professionals.
SRM B School Vadapalani students are a mixture of talents. Engineers, artists, dancers, singers, actors, etc. The level of energy, world-class faculties, entrepreneurial spirit, knowledge imparted found here may surprise students who expect the most.
The next generation of business leaders and entrepreneurs. A commitment to turn young men and women into thought leaders and professionals. The Faculty of Management Studies, SRM University, Vadapalani, works to enable all-round development of the young minds to make them strong players in an increasingly global world. Prakalpa. The university holds Prakalpa, an annual event to showcase the talent they nurture and award recognition to the efforts that stand out.
It's almost a year since I've been out of SRM. Now when I look back at the Prakalpa event that was conducted by SRM University Vadapalani campus, that allowed me to portray my final year project and gain more experience and knowledge. That allowed me to get placed as well.
The university is so confident of the spirit of innovation it nurtures that industry captains and experts are called in to judge the entries.
Proud to be an SRMite.
The great about SRM Vadapalani is incredible, dynamic environment.
Exciting.
Open-minded.
Passionate.
Being able to conceptualize something and then see it come alive.
Home away from home.
Fast paced. Hands-on learning.
Hands-on learning.
Hands-on learning. I love this place.
I love it. I'm loving it. Successful.